Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, September 9th, and temperatures a little cooler this morning. Cold front moved through the area and plenty of moisture up ahead of it. Didn't get as much excessive rainfall as I thought, and that's actually good news. Glad to be wrong there. But certainly some significant rainfall, and on this website down below I listed some of the heavier rainfall totals that we've seen from around the area. But again, varied amounts. Brown City, the big winner, 1.54 inches of rain yesterday. And you can see on the webcam this morning, things are drier out there, and we should have a pretty decent day today. And for tomorrow, I think we'll see more in the way of sunshine, lower humidity and dew points with temperatures in the low to mid 70s. So still not a bad day. This is going to be a two-stage cool down, and then we got a cold front that's going to come through as we get into Thursday night, and that's going to bring a pretty cold weekend to the area. And if we look at the forecast map for this morning, you can see that cold front now off to our east and the showers out ahead of it across southwest Ontario. Again, that'll be moving out of the LAC areas here later this morning. And plenty of high pressure nosing in from the west. But already we can see our next weather maker that's going to bring stage 2 of this cool down that's going to take us into the weekend. And you can see by Thursday night, low pressure across southeast Wisconsin is going to be heading towards southeast lower Michigan. And again, with a pretty good cold front coming through, I think we have a good chance of scattered and numerous showers as we get into late Thursday night into Friday. And by Friday, that low pressure is now across around the southeast lower Michigan area. Off to the north behind it is going to be plenty of showers. It's going to be a very cool day on Friday with highs only in the low to mid 60s. So again, a pretty ugly day out there on Friday. And then improving weather for the weekend. Any leftover showers on Saturday should move out. And I think we'll see more in the way of sunshine by Saturday afternoon and Sunday as this big sprawling Canadian high pressure brings cooler temperatures and drier weather back to the state. Now this cool down is only going to last a couple of 3 or 4 days, and then I think we'll begin to moderate as that high moves off to the east. We'll see a warming trend begin, and I think we'll have warm temperatures for at least the next week to 10 days, maybe another little cool down. And then we'll finish up the month of September on another warm note as it looks right now. Again, we've forecasted for about 2 or 3 months that September would be above normal, and it looks like that's certainly going to be the case. And we're looking at perhaps a cooler October, and then I think we'll look at the winter here in about another couple of weeks. We'll put out a winter forecast. As far as the next 6 to 10 days, you can see the ridge once again becoming established as the old trough kind of fades away. It's going to become established back over the west as the upper ridge retrogrades back in towards the Great Lakes, and I think it's going to be centered right over the Midwest and Great Lakes here over the next couple of weeks. And precipitation will start out the period dry, and I think we'll start to get a little bit wetter towards late next week. And then the 8 to 14 day outlook, you can see the ridge again being dominant across the east, troughing in the west, and above normal precipitation as we have an active northern jet stream with that warmer air colliding with the cooler air back. We'll have kind of a fighting zone here across much of the northern tier states. So again, after a short cool down, looks like warmer weather, the same pattern that we've been forecasting for September will continue for the foreseeable future. And then finally, last Friday and Saturday, we started to pick up some blacks. And here are some light reds brought in by Waldron Farms as harvest 2015 has begun. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, and 73s to all.